purple notebook, and I picked it randomly from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and there was so many, and I can't do them in one episode, and I'm so excited. I'm really excited for my first episode of podcast. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to read it out to you, and shout out to Kathleen Eda Lacrosse, and your question was from Facebook, and you wrote down, "Hi Holly, what do you like to do with Kuya TJ, and what do you like to do with Kuya Zach?" With Kuya TJ, he always lets me do doctors, so I pretend to be a doctor. He lets me do hairstyle because I started doing hairstyles with my dad, and Kuya TJ saw me doing it with him, and Kuya TJ was like, Holly, let me do it. Can I please have it too? I want a mohawk. So I go to the sink and get my hands wet, and then I come back and put it into a mohawk, and I have fake scissors that I pretend to cut his hair, and he teaches me how to play golf because I have my own golf sticks, and my dad and Kuya TJ plays golf, so he teaches me to play golf, and Kuya TJ is like, Holly, let's go outside and let's play golf, and I was like, okay. With Kuya Zach, we always play outside. We always ride our bikes at the front when my dad's watching us, and my brother has a skateboard, and he always gives me a little push to teach me how to go on a skateboard because I wanted to know how to ride a skateboard, and he always holds my hand beside me, and Kuya just starts walking and pushing me. So yeah, that's what I like doing with my Kuyas. Okay, next question is shout out to, and by the way, thank you for that question. Okay, now shout out to Geraldine Murray Bulut, and sorry if I get your names wrong, so I'm really sorry. And your question was also from Facebook, and you wrote down, "Hi Holly, what's your favorite song right now? By the way, you are so pretty." Thank you for that question. So my favorite song, I have tons, like a million favorite songs, but in my head right now I'm thinking of "That's So True" by Gracie, but I forgot its last name. I can go and read your mind, thinking about your dumb face all the time, living in a glass house, I'm outside, looking in your big blue eyes. Didn't just hurt me, make me cry, smile through, yeah, that's my life. Yeah, I love that song, but I also love other songs too. And shout out to Butterfly_1998, and your question was from YouTube, and you wrote down what it feels like being the youngest and only girl. It feels great because the youngest child needs help, and the parents sometimes like the youngest child more than the oldest child because the oldest child know what to do, and then the parents need to look after the youngest child because sometimes they can't reach or something, and the older brothers can reach, and the parents act like I'm a baby, which I'm a baby because I'm the youngest child. And then my brothers, they know what to do, they know how to do stuff, they can go for a ride, but I have to stay home because I don't have parents to go with me when I ride my bike. When I go outside and my dad's watching me, I can get my bike and ride around on the road, but my dad has to watch me. Okay, so yeah, that's how it feels being the youngest child and how I feel being the youngest child. Okay, shout out to, and thanks for that question, shout out to cat music cloud 1990-86, and yours was from YouTube, and you wrote, "What makes you happy?" My family, of course, because they always support me. Sometimes when it's a hot weather, we go on the beach and we play on the sand while my parents watch me. We go for a swim and my brothers support me. And sometimes my brother sometimes when it's cold, my brother can handle it and he starts splashing water at me so I can get used to it. And my parents, my mum and dad, always watches us when we go for a swim. So yeah, that's what makes me happy all the time. Next question is, shout out to I am Sheila May, and yours was from Instagram, and you wrote, "Hi Holly Girl, your fan from San Antonio, USA. What is your favorite bonding moment with your mum?" Okay, I love lots of things about bonding with my mum. We always cook together, and especially when I was little, we always do Chona's kitchen. We always cook and bake together. We always do taste tests together. And my mum sets all the ingredients out if we cook or bake, and I can pour it in. And yeah, and also we also do girl shopping. We always go to our favorite shops like Mecca, Sephora, Zara, Seed. Even sometimes when we're in the Philippines on holiday, we get Starbucks and I get the pink drink, but I always wanted to try their cake pops, and I love doing stuff with my mum, especially when we go to groceries. My mum sometimes gets me a lolly, it depends. And if there's no people that to scan our stuff for us, we do self-checkout and I can scan out. I don't know why, but I love scanning it. It's just so much fun. I love doing scanning. So that's why I like doing bonding with my mum. Okay, next question is CCN _CT, and yours was from Instagram, and you wrote down, "Hi Holly, who's your favorite brother, like the most favorite?" Okay, now that's hard because I love my brothers. Sometimes they're annoying, sometimes they're mean, sometimes they're kind, sometimes they love me. So that's tricky because they do different stuff when I play with them. Like where Zach does riding with me, teaches me how to ride a scooter. And because TJ, he teaches me how to do golf, and he lets me do his hair and all of that. It's just different. So I would say both of them are my favorite, even though they're annoying, but I still love them and they always love me still, so I'll pick both. Okay, shout out to Anok _Chona. That's the same name as my mom. Oh my god. Okay, and yours was from TikTok, and yours was, "You're big now, Holly. What is your favorite color and subject?" My favorite color, I have lots of favorite colors. I'd say baby blue, purple, baby pink, green, and peach color. I also like light brown, because I love that color, like my skin. And my favorite subject at school, it would be cooking, because we do cooking at our school. I cook it for my mom, dad, brothers, and for me. And I also like doing art, science, because science you learn new things. Also in math, you learn timetables and all of that. So yeah, I love doing that. My favorite color and subjects. Thanks for that question. Shout out to Enzo _Palo 21, and yours was from Instagram, and you wrote, "Hi Holly, my question for you is, how does it feel having a Filipino mum?" It feels great having a Filipino mum, and I mean, she's my only mum, and she always cooks for us, cooks Filipino food for us. She also always helps me with my homework if I need help. She teaches me values like treat people how you want to be treated back, because if you treat them nice, they'll treat you nice back. And if they treat you mean, they'll treat you mean back. So I will treat people nice so I get treated nice back. And my mom, I just look like her. I look like her. I love her. She loves me too. I love having a Filipino mom. It's great, and she's my only mom. So next question is, shout out to Luani Venus, and yours was from Facebook. Sorry if I got that name wrong, by the way. And you said, Holly Girl, do you know any Biko words stay pretty? Okay, thanks for that question. I don't know that much Biko words, but I know hi Biko Bikoani. I forgot how to say it wrong. I forgot how to say it. But I think it goes like hi amigas, amigo, equal. I forgot, but that says you. Equal. It means you. I'm so sorry, but I don't know that much Biko words. I know more Tagalog words instead, so I'm so sorry about that question. I don't really know. Okay, last question. Shout out to Go Back to Aussie TikTok. Okay. Yours was, hi Holly, who is your favorite singer and artist? Can you sing a little bit? Okay, I have lots of favorite singers, but here's the favorite singers. Billie Eilish, Sabrina Carpenter, Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift. I have lots of them. And Gracie, but as you know, I forgot their name. And I also love singing with my dad in the car when we go on a trip. I don't know them songs because they're from the 90s or something. Okay, so from Olivia Rodrigo, I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talk about. You were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. And Sabrina Carpenter, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Dun, dun, dun. And please, 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 don't bring me the tears when I justice. I'll make us alright. Oh, I forgot about Katy Perry. I got the eye on the tire and fire, dancing through the fire. Yeah, I am the champion, and you're gonna hear me louder than a lion. Okay, Billie Eilish, birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I was better than you. Can't change the weather, might not be forever. It's even better, it's even better. And I think, Taylor Swift, I'll shake it off, I'll shake it off. Shake it off, 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 dun, dun, dun. Am I missing something? That's so true. From Gracie. I can go read your mind, singing by your dumb face all the time, living in glasses, I'm outside. Oh, looking in your big blue eyes. Didn't just hurt me, make me cry. Smile through, yeah, that's my life. You're in. I can't say that word. Okay, thanks for watching my podcast. I loved it, and I love you all guys for all those questions. And if it's okay that I can call you amigas amigo, which means friends, hi girl and boys. So it's up to you if I can call you that. And please like and share this podcast video because this was my first episode, please. And a big thank you. I always love you guys. Bye, friends. Bye. And make sure if you want me to call amigas or amigo or friends, it's up to you.